3 weeks after their kin vanished, 3 families are still searching for answers. From hospitals to mortuaries, police stations, and now the corridors of justice. Today, the families of Michael Olo, Evans Otieno Omondi, and Macmillan Mungo Kiarie, backed by lawyers, turned to the court seeking one thing: an order compelling Inspector General of Police Douglas Kanja to account for the whereabouts of the missing men. The application comes even as the National Police Service maintains it does not abduct people, and the PS of Interior Raymond Omolo insisting some reported abductions are stage managed. And TV's Ashley Atieno with the details.
The silence inside the Milimani Law Courts carried more than just legal arguments. It carried weeks of unanswered phone calls, sleepless nights, and families still holding on to hope that somewhere, somehow, their sons are alive. 3 young men, 3 disappearances, and not a single answer. Today, those families place their faith in the courts, filing an urgent habeas corpus application seeking to compel Inspector General of Police Douglas Kanja to account for the whereabouts of Michael Olo Osoro, Evans Otieno Omondi, and Macmillan Mungo Kiarie, who disappeared in separate incidents between June 19th and June 26th. For the families, the court has become the last remaining door to knock on.
Nimetembea kila mahali. Nilikuwa na imani ya kwamba baada ya maandamano ya tarehe 25 mtoto wangu atapatikana. Hadi saa hii bado hajapatikana. Tumezunguka mahospitalini, tumezunguka mochari, hajapatikana.
For Rosa P, the questions have become even harder to answer. According to her, Michael Olo was not taken during a protest. He was inside a barber shop in Umoja on the morning of June 19th when unidentified men allegedly bundled him into a vehicle.
Watu wa DCI wamesema, watu police station wamesema wamesha track gari, waliona gari, number plate inaonekana kwa umbali, lakini wameona gari, wameona venye alichukuliwa kwa kinyozi. Then what are we still waiting for?
The application filed before Justice Kanyiki Mondo now asks the court to order that the 3 men be produced and for the Inspector General to personally explain what the state knows about their disappearance.
People are being picked up and their families are left stranded with no option, and that's why today we have filed a habeas corpus application before the court so that the court can help bring some light, and hopefully we can ensure that these 3 young men are brought back home safely.
We have asked that the Honorable Courts not only have those 3 individuals produced in court, but also have summons for the Inspector General of Police, one Mr. Douglas Kanja, to appear before court and tell Kenyans where these people are being disappeared to.
However, the application now places fresh scrutiny on the government's position regarding alleged enforced disappearances. Earlier this week, Interior Principal Secretary Raymond Omolo maintained that enforced disappearances ended with the previous administration, insisting recent arrests have followed the law. He said that some reported abductions have later turned out to be self-orchestrated. The National Police Service also publicly denied involvement in any abductions, saying police only conduct lawful arrests and that claims linking officers to enforced disappearances are unsupported. But lawyers representing the families say the circumstances surrounding these cases tell a different story.
When you hear stories of how even individuals like Michael have been picked up, where it was visible there were handcuffs, rifles, and we're talking about vehicles that had number plates that are mismatched. It's a concern when we see even goons running free in a country where those who are lawless are the ones who seem to be enjoying the freedoms and the rights of this country.
The lawyers have now placed this case at the feet of justice, and now the fate of these 3 men rests not in the streets, but in the courtroom, where the only question that remains is whether justice will be served. Ashley Atieno, NTV.